The decomposition and decay of organic material happens naturally and continuously. It happens when the leaves fall off the trees in the autumn. Juraform has optimized this process by concentrating the materials and creating the correct conditions for successful composting. Composting is an aerobic process, which means that the microorganisms need oxygen to break down the material. A carbon energy source is needed to make the process successful. This can be either sawdust or wood pellets. The JK270 is a rotating insulated composter designed for easy all-year-round use. Food waste material is put into the composter, the carbon material is added, and the composter is rotated. On each gable end of the composter, there are ventilators that allow air to flow through the composter. As the Jura 270 is a sealed container, it is rodent-proof. Insulation of the contents causes the internal temperature to rise, resulting in rapid decomposition of the waste material. The rich compost material is a valuable soil improver with a high nutrient content. The nutrient value is comparable to cow manure. Compost is good for the structure and chemistry of the soil. This is an apartment complex of 207 apartments. They have 3 stations for collecting recyclable waste, like paper, metal and glass. And they have a JK 5100 composter for composting food waste. The compostable waste is collected in compostable paper bags. The bags are put directly into the compost machine, so there is no dirty bucket to take back to the apartment. The whole process is very user-friendly. Open the lid, put the bag in, and close the lid. When the lid is closed, the correct amount of carbon additive in the form of wood pellets is added automatically. The JK 5100 is clean and easy to use, and takes composting to a new level. The JK 5100 can also be used in schools and in restaurants. Special buckets can be used in the kitchen that allows the liquid to drain from the solid waste. These buckets can be emptied directly into the composter. The JK 5100 is a fully automatic modern composter. Grinding is not necessary before the material is added, as a powerful shredder does that at the entry point of the machine. The carbon additives are added manually or by the automatic pellet doser, which adds the correct amount of wood pellets every time the lid is closed. When the material has been shredded, it is inserted into the first chamber of the machine. This is called the processing chamber, where the internal temperature is high. The material is mixed and aired for about 2 weeks in this chamber. During this period, new material is added frequently. The rotation arms mix the waste material and wood pellets. The interval of rotation can be adjusted so that it accurately suits the particular waste being composted. Each of the 2 chambers will have different needs in relation to mixing and aeration, and these can be programmed differently from each other. The ventilation system can also be adjusted. The airflow can be set separately in each of the 2 chambers. The combination of airflow and mixing adjustments makes it possible to optimize the composting process. After approximately 2 weeks, the machine is instructed to move the material from the first chamber into the second chamber, which is called the ripening chamber. A system with 2 chambers ensures that the material being ripened is not mixed with the new material being continuously added. This guarantees a totally composted product as the end result. After another 2 weeks in the second chamber, it is time to empty the material from it. A hatch at the end of the machine allows this to happen. In just 2 to 4 weeks, food waste is transformed into a valuable compost. which can be used in green areas and on flower beds, and as a soil improver in gardens and on vegetable patches.
Well, as you can see, all the things that we are using here goes back to the nature.
The new generation Jura composters are available with temperature monitoring equipment to meet hygiene regulations. At a time of ever stricter waste regulations and hygiene demands, they ensure that organic waste material is handled in a clean and environmentally friendly way.